hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the
This place also offers spa, hot tub, jacuzzi, fitness center, sauna, massage, Turkish steam bath, and playground, pool table, game room, mini golf, etc. And the charges may apply.
But I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back. Now I'm caught in the middle of life, and I need you to survive. Whoa.
Well, this is my third day at Crowne Plaza and I really don't want to leave this place. Well, we are leaving this place today with heavy hearts. The feedback time. Waiting for a cab to arrive. Just look at the place once again. What? It's truly majestic, isn't it?
And this can be the end. I won't just settle for being your friend. A broken bond is not too late to.
Where's that cab? Like you got this cab? वो भैया ये खोल दीजिएगा, आगे रखना पड़ेगा तो भाई इसमें रोक नहीं है भैया, पीछे खोल दीजिएगा ना.
The great hospitality and warmth of all the people of Crowne Plaza made my stay really enjoyable, and I do hope a future stay at Crowne Plaza if I visit Greater Noida once again. Thank you.